Hi guys, Marian here. Welcome back to my channel. I have my challah dough all ready to go and I'm going to show you how to braid a 7-strand challah for Shabbat. Let's get started. Once you have your challah dough, I will link my recipe down below. You just need a dough cutter and a little bit of oil. So take your risen dough out of its bowl and then you're just going to cut it into 7 even balls. I kind of eyeball it. I cut it in half, half again, then one piece is bigger than another. I add a little bit more. Doing 7 is a bit of a hard number in terms of even, but it'll all work out in the end, so don't worry about that. Then you're going to put a little bit of either canola oil or vegetable oil on your worktop surface, and you're going to turn each ball into a strand of challah. First thing I like to do is just rub the piece of challah between my hands to get it into sort of a wormy shape, and then I'm going to roll it on the surface, on the worktop surface, and I want a little bit of oil on each strand. So it should not be covered in oil, it should not be like leaking oil, but just enough so that it glides across the surface really smoothly so that you can roll out long strands. You need a lot of long strands of challah dough so that you're able to braid it. Now that our 7 strands are all together, it's time for the fun part, the actual braiding. Here's what I want you guys to remember: 4 and 3. You're working with 4 strands on one side and 3 on the other at all times. With your 4 side, you're taking your outermost piece, tucking it under the first one and then over the next 2. And you're going to keep doing that. Under 1, over 2. 4 and 3. You'll have 4 on one side, 3 on the other. On the side with 4, you're taking your outermost and going under and then over 2. Now you have 4 on the other side. The outermost goes under the next one and then over the other 2. So just keep thinking under 1, over 2, 4 and 3. Under 1, over 2, 4 and 3. And I just repeat that in my head. Under 1, over 2, 4 and 3. And just keep doing that until you braid all the way down. And by the way, you cannot mess up, because if you do, just smush it together and start over. So this is what your challah braid should look like when you're all done. At the very end, I just pinch all the pieces together. Make sure to really pinch them well or tuck them under so they don't split apart at the oven while you're baking. Because remember, your challah dough will rise a bit more as you bake it. I don't do another rise before I bake it if I'm doing an intricate shape like this, because when it rises too much, you lose a little bit of the intricacy of the shape. So this is what it looks like out of the oven. I just put a little egg wash on this, but you can add sesame seeds or whatever topping you like. And here it is on my beautiful challah board, which of course I'll link below. Let me know if you guys try this out. I hope you do. And don't forget, my challah recipe is linked down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!